Good morning. Our second lesson for this week is topic 13, lesson 5, equivalence with metric units of capacity and mass. Textbook, pages 703 to 706. Get ready with your book and your pen. Listen attentively to the discussion of the lesson. Before we start, let's have first words to learn from this lesson. We have the word mass. Mass is the amount of matter that something contains. Milligram. A milligram, mg, is a metric unit of mass. 1000 milligrams equals 1 gram. 3 typical grains of salt have a combined mass of about 1 milligram. We have the word gram. A gram, G, is a metric unit of mass. 1000 grams equals 1 kilogram. We have the word kilogram. A kilogram, kg, is a metric unit of mass. 1000 grams equals 1 kilogram. Again, we have the word capacity. Capacity is the amount a container can hold, measured in liquid units. Liter. A liter, L, is a metric unit of capacity equal to 1000 milliliters. Milliliter. A milliliter, ml, is a metric unit of capacity. 1000 milliliters equals 1 liter. So before we go on with our lesson, you must remember the conversion table of metric units of capacity and mass. 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliters. 1 gram is equals to 1000 milligrams. 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 grams. Okay, now let us solve the problem in Solve and Share. So this is a liter of water. So some water bottles hold 1 liter or 1000 milliliters of water. A 1 liter of water has a mass of 1 kilogram or 1000 grams. So in the problem, we are going to convert the liters to milliliters. And after that, we are going to find the mass of the water in grams. So first thing we will do is to convert the 3 liters to milliliters. Since we know that 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliters, multiply it. So 1000 times 3 is equals to 3000. So 3 liters is equal to 3000 milliliters. Now, what is the mass of the water in grams? Since we know that 1 liter is equals to 1000 grams, so we are going to multiply the 3 liters by 1000 grams. So 3 times 1000 is equals to 3000. So the answer is 3000 grams. Let's have a look back. Why did you need to convert units to solve the problem above? The amount of water was given in liters, and the question asked for the amount of water in millimeters and the mass of the water in grams. That's why we need to convert from one unit to another to solve that problem.
How could you convert from one metric unit of capacity or mass to another? Let's find out. Louis needs 8 1-liter servings of apple juice. He has 5,000 milliliters of juice. Does Louis have enough apple juice? Metric units of capacity include liters and milliliters. Metric units of mass include kilograms, grams, and milligrams. What do you notice about the equivalent measures in the table? The relationship between liters and milliliters is the same as the relationship between grams and milligrams, and between kilograms and grams. Step 1. Find how many milliliters of apple juice Louis needs. 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters. Louis needs 8 liters of juice. 8 times 1,000 equals 8,000 milliliters. Louis needs 8,000 milliliters of juice. Why do you multiply 8 by 1,000 to find how many milliliters of apple juice Louis needs? Louis needs 8 liters, and 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters. Step 2. Compare to find if Louis has enough apple juice. Louis has 5,000 milliliters of apple juice. He needs 8,000 milliliters of apple juice. 8,000 milliliters is greater than 5,000 milliliters. Louis does not have enough apple juice. How many more milliliters of apple juice does Louis need? 8,000 minus 5,000 equals 3,000. So Louis needs 3,000 more milliliters of apple juice.
Now you know how to convert from one metric unit of capacity or mass to
Let's have convinced me. Why did you need to convert liters to milliliters? The information was given in liters, and the question asked for milliliters. So it was necessary to convert from liters to milliliters. Let's have some examples. Convert 8 kilograms to grams. So we must remember that 1 kilogram is equals to 1,000 grams. So what are we going to do to convert larger unit to smaller unit? You're going to multiply. So 8 kilograms times 1,000 grams is equals 8,000 grams. The answer is 8,000. Let's have another example. Convert 7 liters to milliliters. So remember that 1 liter is equals to 1,000 milliliters. You are going to convert liter, which is a larger unit, to milliliters, which is a smaller unit. So you are going to multiply 7 liters by 1,000 milliliters. 7 times 1,000 is equals to 7,000. So the answer is 7,000 milliliters. Let's have another example. How many grams of apples are needed to make 1 liter of apple juice? Remember that mass is the amount of matter that something contains. So, 1 kilogram is equals to 1,000 grams. So it states here that 2 kilograms of apples makes 1 liter of apple juice. So 2 kilograms times 1,000 grams is equals 2,000 grams. So therefore, 2,000 grams of apples make 1 liter of apple juice. So 2 kilograms is equals to 2,000 grams. Now let's do the guided practice. Margot has 8 kilograms of apples. How many liters of apple juice can Margot make? Explain. So first thing we will do is to convert 8 kilograms to grams using the conversion 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 grams. So we are going to multiply 8 kilograms by 1000 grams. So 8 times 1000 is equals 8000 grams. And next step is to convert the grams to liters. So we must remember that in 2000 grams, there is 1 liter. So we have 8000 grams. So the 2000 grams, if you multiply it by 4, it's equals to 8000. So meaning to say, in 8000 grams, there are 4 liters. Now let's proceed to do you know how. Let's convert 6 grams to milligrams. We are going to use the conversion 1 gram is equals to 1000 milligrams. So from larger unit to smaller unit, multiply. So 6 grams times 1000 milligrams is equals to 6000 milligrams. We have question number 3. Convert 9 liters to milliliters. Remember the conversion 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliters. Liter is a larger unit, milliliters is a smaller unit. So we are going to multiply. 9 liters times 1000 milliliters is equals to 9000 milliliters. The answer is 9000 milliliters. That would be all for today. Thank you for listening. This is Teacher Maritel, your math teacher. Have a good day.